Very good morning, one and all. Our next session is an introduction to cyber crisis management techniques by Shri Shashank Gupta sir. He is a scientist, member of cyber security assurance team of CERT-In, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Welcome you sir for the session, and the session is yours sir.
Thank you. A bright good morning to all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are able to hear. You are audible, sir. And the presentation control is also transferred to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Hello, can you see my screen?
Sir, yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay. So, very bad good morning to all of you. I am Shashank Gupta from CERT-In. So, today we are going to discuss about the Cyber Crisis Management Plan or techniques. We call it mainly CCMP. Okay. So, firstly, we will see the outline. What is the things we are going to discuss today? So, firstly, we will be discussing the CCMP purpose, mandate, structure, and point of action. And then finally, we'll see what exercises could be done. We will be planning, not now, but in future. If the participants are interested, then we'll see that. So we'll firstly see that what are the actions for the cyber security. See, in cyber security, the perspective of effective cyberspace is different. Like a strategy can be legal, it can be protection, cyber response, resolution, compliance, education and awareness, information perspective, collaborative, data security, and privacy. So in respect of cyber response and resolutions, there can be different levels like government, critical, ISP, TSP, but the mainly CCMP concerned with the first two, government level and the critical sector level, where the CCMP action has to be taken and the further impact can be viewed from that. So what could be the purpose of this cyber crisis management plan? The main purpose of this cyber crisis management plan is to prepare for, respond to, and begin to coordinate recovery from a cyber incident. So we have to prepare ourselves for any incident from advance. Then if the crisis happens, we have to respond to, and then coordinate things that the recovery is with very quickly and without much problems. And the second point is that in the critical sector areas, we can see that the interruptions should be very brief, infrequent, and manageable, that it does not go out of bound. And third is that to assist the organization to put in place mechanisms to deal with cybersecurity. Here we are telling that we should put the responsibilities and accountability right down to the individual level, that a person who is responsible for every part of process. And what is the mandate? Mandate is that the ministry and the departments of central government, state governments, and union territories should draw their own sectoral cyber crisis management plans. Means what is their own needs, and they can design their own crisis management plans and in line with whatever we are suggesting here. And then secondly, equip themselves suitably for implementation and supervisions. And then we are also conducting the mock exercises with ministry and organization. We can, if participants, if they are interested, they can request the exercises and we can arrange for them. And and now we will see the structure of the cyber crisis management plan. What is the thing is all about? So firstly, we will discuss about the concept of CCMP, the nature of the cyber crisis, what kind of crisis could be there, then what are the cyber security threat landscapes, and how we can build our cyber security capabilities. Then there are incident prevention and response, and then crisis recognition, mitigation, and management. And if the crisis happens, then how can we deal with it? In addition to this, the cyber crisis management plan document also consists of important points like implementing the information security management system, means to secure your own critical data, planning and preparation for the incident handling. Certain incidents happens, then how you can plan and prepare, We have to, and then third is that incident response activity in first hour and how we'll respond in the first hour and then next 24 hours. And cyber crisis management of the critical infrastructures, data center guidelines, network infrastructure security, best practice. We will see that.